Welcome to my channel. This is Rochelle from the DIY Affiliate, and today we are going to be doing a short video on WordPress. So let's get started. This video is about using the WordPress on your cell phone. Let's get started. Go to the Google Play Store. Look for WordPress Automatic Inc. You could just type in WordPress. You will see the avatar here for WordPress. Install it. Open it up. And here you will find your WordPress. Here is the WordPress that I created on the computer on my cell. Go back in, and then you can see here is the rest of the WordPresses that I have created. New site. Business. Choose a domain name for your site. Create site. Site is created. When WordPress is installed, websites that you have created. Choose a YouTube video. Click share. Find your WordPress. Here all of your sites come up. Choose one that you would like to post to. You will see the title. Here is the video, and click publish now. Go back to your YouTube. Always make sure that you go back. Click the share again to your WordPress. Choose another site, add post, and publish now. View the site. And this is the new site that I just created, and it will take a couple of minutes for WordPress to propagate your video, but your video will appear. These are the videos that I posted recently. And this is the last one. So this is a fast, easy way to be able to use your WordPress for organic traffic. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that you are updated on all new videos that I have coming out to my community daily.